Moose. The moose, scientifically known as Alces alces, is the largest extant species in the deer family. It is also known as the Eurasian elk or elk in Europe, while in North America, it is referred to as the moose. Moose are found in boreal and mixed deciduous forests in the Northern Hemisphere, including Alaska, Canada, Scandinavia, and Russia. Here are some key characteristics and facts about moose. Size: moose are massive animals, with males, bulls, being larger than females, cows. On average, bulls stand around 6 to 7.5 feet, 1.8 to 2.3 meters, tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 1,200 and 1,600 pounds, 540 to 720 kilograms. Cows are slightly smaller, usually measuring 5 to 6.5 feet, 1.5 to 2 meters, tall and weighing around 800 to 1,300 pounds, 360 to 590 kilograms. Appearance: moose have long legs and a long, muscular body covered in shaggy brown fur. They have a hump on their shoulders and a dewlap, a flap of skin, hanging beneath their chin. Both males and females have antlers, but those of the males are much larger. Moose antlers are broad and palmate, with points and tines extending from the main frame. Behavior: moose are primarily solitary animals, and their home range can extend over several square miles. They are excellent swimmers and are known to wade into lakes and rivers to feed on aquatic plants. During the mating season, known as the rut, bulls become more aggressive and vocal, engaging in displays of dominance to attract females. Diet: moose are herbivores and primarily feed on vegetation. They are browsers, consuming the leaves, twigs, and bark of trees and shrubs. Their diet includes a variety of plants, such as willow, birch, aspen, and aquatic plants. Conservation status: the conservation status of moose varies depending on the region. In some areas, moose populations are stable and not of immediate concern. However, in certain regions, such as parts of Europe, moose populations are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Economic and cultural significance: moose have significant ecological and cultural importance. They play a role in shaping ecosystems as browsers and provide food and habitat for other wildlife. Additionally, moose hunting is popular in some regions, providing both recreational opportunities and a source of sustenance for local communities. It's worth noting that information on the moose might vary slightly depending on the specific subspecies and the region they inhabit. Moose weight and life. Moose weight and lifespan can vary depending on factors such as sex, habitat, and food availability. Here are some general guidelines. Weight: as mentioned earlier, male moose, bulls, are larger than females, cows. On average, adult bulls weigh between 1,200 and 1,600 pounds, 540 to 720 kilograms, although exceptionally large individuals can exceed these weights. Adult cows, on the other hand, typically weigh around 800 to 1,300 pounds, 360 to 590 kilograms. Lifespan: in the wild, the average lifespan of a moose is around 15 to 20 years. However, some individuals can live up to 25 years or more in optimal conditions. Factors such as predation, hunting, disease, and availability of food resources can influence moose longevity. It's important to note that these figures are general estimates, and there can be variations depending on the specific region and environmental conditions. Additionally, moose in captivity may have different lifespans compared to their counterparts in the wild. Is moose meat delicious? The taste of moose meat is subjective and can vary depending on personal preferences and cooking methods. However, many people consider moose meat to be delicious. It has a distinct flavor that is often described as rich, earthy, and slightly sweet. The meat is typically lean and has a coarse texture. Moose meat is often used in various culinary dishes, such as stews, roasts, burgers, and sausages. It can be prepared in different ways, including grilling, braising, or slow cooking, to enhance its tenderness and flavor. It's worth mentioning that proper handling and preparation of moose meat are essential to ensure its taste and safety. Like any wild game, moose meat should be handled, stored, and cooked correctly to prevent the risk of foodborne illnesses. Ultimately, whether you find moose meat delicious or not depends on your personal taste preferences and the way it is prepared.